So let's get straight to the point. If your data lives across multiple Google Sheets, you shouldn't actually need complex tools to visualize what's actually going on. Most teams update Google Sheets every single day. New rows come in, numbers change, performance shifts, but the visuals, they're usually outdated or broken. That's exactly the problem EasyAIBridge solves. So you can connect multiple Google Sheets to EasyAIBridge. Let's quickly do that. You'll go to Dashboard. You can either upload files or you can connect your Google Sheets. We will connect our Google Sheets. Okay. You will connect. I will come back with my connected Google Sheets. So once you've connected your Gmail, your Google Sheets should appear in your connections, and then you can easily select and browse sheets. So these are the 3 sheets that I'm going to work on today. Make sure to check mark them, okay? And then we will move on to Smart Ask. Over here, you can ask anything to Smart Ask. You can ask it to visualize, you can ask it to make bar charts, pie charts, anything. I'll quickly add my prompt and update you guys. Okay, so I have written my prompt and I will just ask it and it will run for less than a minute, 30 seconds. It's processing 1000 rows. It will be done in a blink of an eye. Okay, so here's a simple visual representation, but this is not our topic for today. I want to know what happens if I make real-time updates. So I'm still working in my Google Sheet, so what happens then? So let's make some changes in my Google Sheet and ask again. Okay, so as you can see, I was using this Google Sheet and Sarah was the previous answer. I'll make some changes and we'll see if EasyAIBridge can keep up with the updates. I have made my changes and now we will rerun our prompt and see what the new visual is. So I rerun the same prompt and as you guys can see that I had to do nothing. I changed my Google Sheets, I keep working on it, and my data and my visual data can keep on changing. No need to learn coding, no need to learn any heavy tools, nothing. It's so easy and you can effortlessly use multiple Google Sheets. You don't even have to use one. And don't forget to get a free trial.